Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. As you know that we are learning chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. The topic of our today's discussion is electron affinity. As we have learned about ionized energy, electron affinity is also the amount of energy, but it is different than ionized energy. So first of all, we will discuss what is ionized electron affinity. Electron affinity is also amount of energy, the amount of energy released in ionized energy. Amount of energy was required. That energy is released. When does it released? When an electron is added in the outermost shell of an isolated mean perfect isolated gaseous atom. So we can differentiate between ionized energy and electron affinity. Both are the amount of energy. Ionized energy was the amount of energy required to remove electron. Electron affinity is energy released when electron is added in outermost shell, and in ionized energy electron was removed. For example, if we want to add electron in fluorine atom, so there will become a fluoride ion, and the amount of energy will be released minus 328 kilojoule per mole. In ionized energy, amount of energy was required and their amount of energy released. When energy is required, we take positive sign, and when energy is released, we take negative sign. The unit of both electron affinity and ionized energy is kilojoule per mole. Now we will discuss trend of electron affinity in period and group. So first of all, trend of ionized energy in period. Electron affinity. Like ionized energy, electron affinity also increases in period. Why does it increase? Because as size of atom decreases in period, the attraction of nucleus for incoming electrons increases. That's why electron affinity also increases in period. Now we will discuss trend of electron affinity in groups. Electron affinity decreases in period. Why does it decrease? it is decreases because as size of atom increases in group, from up to down, with size of shielding effect increase, with increase in shielding effect, it results in poor connection. It results in poor attraction for incoming electrons. So when there will be poor attraction for incoming electrons, the electron affinity will be decreased. The amount of energy will released in less amount. So students, this was our today's topic. In today's topic we have learned about electron affinity, and we have already learned that electron affinity and ionized energy are related to each other, but these are different. As in ionization energy is required to remove electron. In electron affinity, energy is released when electron is added in outermost shell of gaseous atom. So students, you should learn it, revise it. If you have any question, you can ask again, and for any improvement of my lecture you can comment. If you have any problem, you can ask. You can rate my lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.